Good morning, everyone. We are in beautiful 100 Mile House, one of those nice Cariboo airports that actually has a runway which takes you right into downtown. Walk across the street and you got restaurants, hotels, whatever you need.
The other thing is that white thing up top, that's just the radio antenna that's kicked over sideways, right?
Yeah. Well, Travis, nice bird.
Yeah, thank you.
You know, I'm happy to finally see it because way back when I sold the kit to Nathan and it took him a little while to put this thing together. It looks absolutely beautiful. Just SuperSTOL 912S for power, cater prop, and Travis is about to go and do some taxi testing. We bumped up the brakes a bit, added some fluids, checked them all, and he's gonna take this girl for a flight. Do you fly it from the left-hand side or right-hand side?
I fly it from the left, Dad flies it from the right. Okay. The brakes feel really good. A little bit soft. All right, clear prop. Really ready?
And Travis is just doing some taxi tests, making sure brakes work nicely either side, left and right. And it looks like we have solved the issue, whatever it was, by adding some fluid. And off she goes. Oh, wonderful. And a takeoff, of course, in absolute SuperSTOL fashion. You know, we're talking about 150 feet maybe off in front of the numbers there. Like Travis is coming back on the grass. And down she is. Ah, what a beautiful airplane. So nice to see this finished and being to good use. Well, Captain, did we fix the problem?
I think we did, yeah, for sure.
That was a hard one. We had to get some fluid in there. Yeah. It might have just been a vapor lock, eh?
I think it was a vapor lock. Yeah.
You know?
It seems to be way better now.
Shutdown's good?
It shuts down your way better, it's smoother.
Okay.
You just kind of, you advance a bit of power, mag drop, it's off. So.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, she was a little hard starting, but...
Yeah, and I think I had a bit of power with the choke, and the guy told me no power with the choke.
Little bit.
Yeah, and I think I advanced it a little too much, and that's kind of what that issue
Okay.
was. As soon as I kind of pulled it off, it ran fine.
For sure went off fast, eh? Like you were flying before the numbers.
Oh yeah, and I wasn't even trying. And like landing this thing, it's over.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it's unreal.
It's awesome.
Yeah, it's sure cool.
All right.
Awesome, buddy.
Wow, that's good. Should we have some fun here this summer?
Yeah.